Back. Hello, friends, welcome back. And today I'll be taking you through a few steps or a few procedures by which you can speed up your computer. And this is one of the major concerns that after you use your laptop, your computer for a certain period, it tends to work slow. So there is a reason, like when you use your computer, there are a lot of files which are being created, a lot of settings being tweaked, a lot of settings being changed, so it all combines and it makes your PC slow. For example, your browser, first time when you install your browser and then you start using it, you start saving your plugins, you start installing new plugins, you start saving your history, there's cache. So there's a lot of things which can impact the performance of the browser. So for browsers, what we do, we clear cache, we delete history, we reset the browser a few times to make it back to the normal working condition. So likewise, your operating system is also a software like a browser. After like months of using your operating system, after a few months, it might also lag, it might also get slow. So as for the browser, we clear history, we delete the cookies, we delete the cache. So for operating system, there are a few things that we need to do. So today we'll see how we can speed up a computer. So to start with, let me begin with your boot time. So boot time is how much time your computer takes to start and be ready. Right now, this to come to this stage wherein your computer is on, your Wi-Fi is connected, and you click on start, your computer is ready to be operated. So the time your computer takes to be ready for an operation is the boot time. So the first thing we'll concentrate is how do I increase my boot time? How can I make my computer start as fast as it can? So let's first see in my computer what all applications, what all drivers are loading with the operating system. So the more number of drivers, the more number of applications you run in accordance with the operating system, it will take that much of time. So to check that, we click on start, we type msconfig, hit enter. This is for Windows 10. There is a bit difference in Windows 10 and Windows 7, Windows XP, so we are with Windows 10 right now. So here you see startup. In Windows 7, Windows XP, you will see the programs, but in Windows 10 you need to click on open task manager, and under open task manager you will see the programs which are starting with my computer. So these many programs start with my operating system. So when I start my operating system, my OS plus these 7, I am starting these 8 applications. So it will take some time. So what I've done already, I have disabled 1, 2, 3 because I don't need them to start with my operating system. Okay, now I just have these 4 applications starting. So this is my case. If you open your laptop, if you see your list, it could be huge, it could be big. So you can go ahead and disable all of them, your computer will still start, but I would not recommend that. What I recommend is, let's close this. you go to general tab, we are in MS config. Okay, you go to general tab. There are three options here: normal startup, diagnostic startup, selective startup. So as a first step, what you can do is select diagnostic startup. What this will do is load basic devices and services only. This will increase your boot time. This will increase your booting time. If your PC was booting in like say 2 minutes, so diagnostic startup, if you select, if you click on apply, if you restart, it should further reduce by a minute. Okay, this is the first step. Now after doing this, let's say the performance is not increased a lot, because what we have done just now is only the booting time. We have just lowered the boot time. We have not made changes in the operating system. We are not made changes in the way the OS works. We have just worked on the boot time. Now let's enter the OS part of it. So once the computer starts, as I mentioned already, your computer might be slow for certain reasons. So what we can do is, there are a lot of things that you could probably try to maintain the computer speed. So what I will take you through today is here. Okay, when I say computer speed, see, now I'll just click Windows and E. I will put Windows and E. It opened here. All right, I will press Windows E, Windows D, this desktop. So this time, how soon is your operating system reacting to your commands? That is important. Windows R, see, it's fast. Services are messy. Services can take some time because it loads all the services. We'll come to services in another video. This is a different topic altogether. It can take some time, no wonder. Okay, so if I say Windows R, if I say cmd command prompt, see, this, the response time of your operating system needs to be improved. So the first thing what we need to check is the space in your C drive where your operating system is installed. If your OS is installed in D, if your OS is installed in E, most probably it should be in C. Check if you have enough free space for your operating system to run. First thing, if you don't have much space, first thing you do is go to your recycle bin and delete your deleted items. Always keep this empty. Second thing what you can also do is defragment your PC. This helps a lot. It's a lengthy process, but it helps. You will see the change definitely. So you just click here, click analyze and optimize. This will take some time, but once this is completed, you can see a drastic improvement in the performance of your computer. Just click on start, type defrag, you will get the option defragmentation. Here's your what to do: analyze and optimize. It will definitely work. Third thing which could also slow down your PC is if you have a lot of programs that you have installed, a lot of stuff, like you have installed programs, games, softwares, video players. When you have a lot, it will affect the operating system, because with every program, with every software you install, you're putting files in the OS, you're putting files in the registry. There's load building up. So make sure you remove the programs which are not necessary, which you do not use much, or which can be uninstalled. This will also help definitely to increase your PC performance. See, these are the programs which I have installed. Now I'll see, like, for some program which I am not using it, I might remove it and save some space and put some load off my computer. That will help the computer to run fast. So what we have gone through, the startup, how the computer starts, how can I decrease my booting time. Second thing what we have gone through is to check your space on C drive, delete recycle bin items, uninstall the programs that you really don't need it. Then you have the defragment your drive. So once these things are done, you will be happy to see that your computer is reacting fast to your commands now. In case after doing all of that, in case if you still find that your PC is slow, or this step, like, it's a very important point, if you find any issues with your PC, is to check for malware, check for viruses. So no matter what, you should always have an antivirus. Your virus scans, schedule it automatically, because this is one of the major concerns that the PCs have. Due to the virus or malware, your PC will become very slow. So make sure you have a good antivirus to protect you against it. If you have a virus, then these all steps that we just have gone through will not affect, because your concern is virus. So no matter what, always have your virus scans completed. Take those actions, make sure you are safe from viruses, malware, cyber attacks. And then if you're safe with such things, then these steps will definitely make a huge impact. Alright, so thank you for now. If in case you have any questions or suggestions, or if you still find difficulty in analyzing what is happening with your CPU, you could just comment on my video or go to my website umarsharif.com. There you can connect with me directly and I can see if I can help you with that. Thank you.